The fun way to learn programming, learning programming can be a thrilling adventure when approached with the right mindset. Instead of viewing it as a daunting task, imagine it as unlocking a world of creativity and problem-solving. Just like learning a new language, programming allows you to communicate with computers and bring your ideas to life. The key to making this journey enjoyable is to embrace your curiosity and explore the vast resources available. Start with playful tools that make coding feel like a game. Platforms such as Scratch or Code.org transform coding into an engaging experience. Kids and adults alike can drag and drop blocks to create animations or interactive stories, instantly seeing the results of their creativity. This hands-on experience builds a strong foundation in programming concepts without the intimidation of complex syntax. Once you're comfortable with the basics, dive into project-based learning. Choose projects that excite you, whether it's building a simple website, creating a video game, or automating a boring task on your computer. This approach not only reinforces your learning, but also shows immediate, tangible results. Each completed project is like a badge of honor, boosting your confidence and igniting your passion for more challenging endeavors. Collaborating with others can further enhance the fun. Join online coding communities or local coding meetups where you can share knowledge, tackle challenges together, and celebrate each other's successes. Many people find that programming becomes more enjoyable when they have a support system of fellow learners who inspire them to keep pushing their limits. Incorporating rewards into your learning can heighten motivation. Set small milestones for yourself, and upon reaching them, treat yourself to something enjoyable. It could be a favorite snack, a few hours of gaming, or a movie night. Associating accomplishments with rewards turns the learning process into a more positive experience. Lastly, don't forget to embrace the stumble-fall-stand-up cycle of learning. Bugs and errors are part of every coder's journey. View them as opportunities to learn, not as failures. Celebrate the moments when you troubleshoot and finally fix a bug, for each of these instances makes you a stronger programmer. In conclusion, learning programming can be a fun-filled journey of creativity, collaboration, and personal growth. Equip yourself with the right tools, embrace a project-driven approach, collaborate with peers, and celebrate every little win. With this mindset, you'll find that the sky's the limit when it comes to your programming ambitions.